Hi there, guys and girls. Good evening to each every one of you. It's my time to make the reviews of the movie that we have watched together. Dream of us together again. No, it's not the song of Janet Jackson. Janet Jackson, it's not the one. It's together by Alison Brie and Dave Franco. You know what? Dave Franco looks like James Franco. I think they are siblings. They are brothers. But I really like more than ever James Franco, but they are both appealing. I love his birthday. Just kidding. You know what, guys? And girls, I didn't expect about the start of the movie. Hey, can you please listen?
I'm listening.
Stop the cell phone. Okay. I couldn't really expect the story goes that way. It's really awesome, fantastic, entertaining, and at the same time lots of scary scenes. I keep on shouting, ah! Ah! And even the cutting scene. I'm not gonna tell you guys what is the cutting scene. Something like that. And the scene already stopped, but I keep on shouting. I'm the one who's shouting inside of the movie house, and then the two moviegoers at the back of me been laughing. Anyway, some fun, and I really love the story because it's some kind of different